In this tutorial, we'll be looking at the image displayer asset. So we're going to go into Edit when logged in as an admin into VR mode, and I'm going to go into my Assets menu and Packs. Then I'm going to look for Display Utilities and then acquire that pack. Once I've done that, I can go to my Inventory tab, Utilities, and then we can see the media displayers, and of course the image displayer here is our first of those. So I can grab that and bring it into the scene just like any other asset. I can use my joystick to scale or rotate. So we'll go ahead and place that right about here. Hector is going to be helping us today. He's one of our new patients for OpenRN. So let's just place this right about there. And then once that asset is in the scene, if you go to your sim manager and select it, you'll see this new option appear here. So we can go to our Images tab and we'll see the images that are currently available in this room. We can go to Upload, and anything that's in the folder location that's listed here, any JPG or PNG file format that is in that folder will appear in this list. So we're going to go ahead and select that. Select this one and then upload. Hit OK. And then if I go back to my Images tab, that image appears. If I select it and set it, then we can see that it appears on that image displayer. In the Options tab, we can have it be scene lit, which means it's going to pick up lighting dynamically from the scene, or it can be self-lit as if it's a glowing monitor. And you can also turn the back face on or off. And that's it. Hopefully you'll be able to make use of the image displayer asset in your simulations. Thanks for watching.